stay tuned for the Frito pie casserole.
Guys, it's really good. Extremely.
And I want to give special thanks to this person on TikTok that gave me the inspiration to do
This meal, guys, this
affordable meal for everyone because we need these affordable meals, especially in this time. So stay tuned for the Frito pie casserole.
Okay, so I got some sausage, some hot smoked sausage, $1.25. 4 bags of corn chips, guys, $1.25 each. I got some seasoning, chopped onion seasoning, some regular complete seasoning. I guess this is all-purpose seasoning. Also Creole seasoning, another all-purpose seasoning, guys. I got some diced tomatoes and green chilies. I got some chili with beans. Now this was for $1.25 as well. These cans $1.25. Everything on that I'm showing you $1.25 a piece. So I got the nacho cheese sauce, the chili with the beans. So I got 4 cans like this. I got let me see, 4 cans like this, 1 can like this, and like 4 bags of the corn chips and 1 pack like this. So let's get started, guys. Okay, so guys, we're gonna go ahead and place our chili with the beans. We're gonna place that in here, and you need a pan to put your food in, guys. So make sure you have the pan, and we're gonna just go ahead and that's my oven. I put it on 350. We're gonna go ahead and put that in there. Excuse me, guys, I'm just opening the can a little bit. Okay, so we're just gonna put the 4 cans in here. Now it depends on how many people you are feeding, so that depends on, you know, how much you're gonna use. But you know, I like to get enough because my family likes to eat, guys. So this is our first time tasting this, so I hope this comes out really good. Okay, this was the last can. Okay. How many of you, now this is from Dollar Tree, guys. If I did not say that, this is from Dollar Tree. How many of y'all had Frito pie before? I love me some Frito pie. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put the cheese in. So give me a second, guys. Okay, guys, I put some of those sausage, those hot smoked sausage in here. I cut it up. I only use like maybe 1.5 of it. So it's up to you if you want to add this. I just wanted to add it. Now we're going to add the nacho cheese. The way the other lady did it, she layered it, but I'm not going to layer it. I'm just going to mix it all together. So I'm going to do it a little different, my way. Like I say, you guys can do it your way, however you know, would like. So we're just going to mix that cheese all up in there. It's going to be extremely cheesy, guys. And we're gonna have extra bags. You can do it however you want. We're gonna have extra bags of corn chips, so just in case, you know, someone wants to just add corn chips on the side, you know, after the meal is cooked. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up. Just mix it up in there. Mix that cheese. I know my family, they like cheesy stuff, so that's why I put a little extra cheese in there. You don't have to do this. You really don't. I just did this. Now I think I added a little bit too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some in a bowl. Just extra for like extra. It's up to you guys how much you want to add. You know, if you want to layer it, it's up to you. This is the way I did it. So it comes out really, I like it. Just mix it very well. So you got everything combined very well in there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add our chips, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and add our chips. Okay. And we're gonna mix those chips in there. I'm gonna add, this is one bag, so I'm gonna add just a little bit more from the second bag, and we're gonna mix that in. I know it looks a little messy, but trust me, the outcome will come out perfect, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and mix those chips in there. Oh, the lighting is just horrible, guys. We're just gonna mix those chips in there. Just make sure it's like fully covered, guys. Because you want it to come out very, very good. And we're gonna put some chips on top. I'm trying to make sure that they like evenly spread out here. Make sure there's chips everywhere and not a big gap of chili. I mean, not chili with no chips. See, like right here, there's no chips right here. So just make sure there's chips everywhere. If you decide to do it this way, if you decide to layer it, it's fine too. But this is how we do it. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put some chips on top. Okay. Alright, guys. Now you're just gonna add your chips on top. And we're gonna have to cover this to make sure. Now we're gonna need another bag. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, so what we basically doing here is filling in those spaces. If you want, you can kind of break up those chips to kind of fill in the spaces that need to be filled. Okay, so guys, we're gonna add a little bit of these diced tomatoes here. Just on top. Sorry for this shaking camera, but okay, so y'all, I have it like that. That's the this right here. We just added a little bit of that on top, and then we're gonna season it lightly, not too much. That was the complete seasoning. Okay, and this is the onion seasoning, just a little bit, guys, so we can have a little bit of flavor in there. Now the chips is already salty, so y'all don't want to add too much of this Creole seasoning, not too much, Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And that's it, guys. It's ready to go in the oven. I have already preheated my oven for 350, and we're gonna place this in the oven. I'm gonna put aluminum foil on top, guys. Now, like I said, you can do it however you want to. I usually like jalapenos, but because I have a teenager that does not like jalapenos, I'm not gonna use that. So we are going to just rock with it like this, and we're going to put it in there for 30 minutes, guys. And I'll be back after 30 minutes. Don't forget to cover, guys, with aluminum foil.
Okay, guys, so halfway through those 30 minutes, guys, you want to take the foil paper off and put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. So if that makes sense, like it's supposed to be in the oven for a full 30 minutes. But after 15 minutes, take the foil paper off and put it back in the oven, guys.
Okay, so guys, this is gonna be our family meal for tonight. The fish was not included in the Dollar Tree meal, but I just added that as, you know, our meal for tonight. But this is the Frito pie casserole, guys. Look at that. It looks so good. So good, guys. So that is it, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna give y'all a little clip if y'all still hanging in on this video and you are watching at this mark. I will show y'all how it tastes. I'll give you a sneak peek of how it tastes, so stay tuned.
Okay, so guys, I'm about to taste it, and this is it right here. It looks so good, guys. Guys, it's really good. Extremely cheesy. That is really good. I really love it. I'm glad I added the wieners in, because it adds an extra touch to it, guys. I'm telling you, I love it. It's really good. It's hot though. Really hot. But there it is right here, guys. And it's seasoned good too. Let's see how it tastes with the fish. Like I said, guys, the fish wasn't included, but I just added it. I hope you guys like the Frito pie casserole, and let me know if you guys plan on doing this, or if y'all have already did this already, guys. Let me know. I just can't stop eating it. I love it. But like this video, guys, if you enjoyed watching and you plan on making this meal, and if it was helpful to you, or if you got anything helpful out of this video, please like this video, comment down below, guys. Also, share for the world to see. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you guys are notified each time I post a new video. Bye bye. Bitch, I know what you want me.